I think Quantium is an incredibly cool company to work for. We're positioned to help customers solve some of the most complex business problems using some of the most advanced technologies in AI and data science. And for me, that's incredibly rewarding.
The thing that I definitely love the most about working at Quantium is being able to work with really smart people on solving problems that just have not been solved in the industry before.
Quantium is a high-growth, high-performance organization, and that creates an environment and a culture that's really rewarding to be a part of. For me personally, my favorite part about being in that kind of environment is my day-to-day role changes all the time.